So nandito na tayo. First day na ating trailer. Wala kang tao. Ang oras ay 2:30. Na sila. Si Pogi. Ready na, pero wala kang tao. Very busy, very busy.
A lot of fun with the China takeover again on the stage right after the China show with Discover the heart behind the music with an all-new episode of K-Love on Demand's Empty Stage with Nashville music insider Andrew Knitt. This exciting new episode features country star Granger Smith.
This episode
This powerful story of navigating life after tragedy and the unique agreement.
Can I have the cup to make sauce?
Oh, you want to get?
She's busy.
Go ask Jella. Jella, where's the cup for the...
Mama's making. Anong gagawin mo dyan?
Just did a forerunner to the new one.
Oh, you did? You like some more? Get the cover ready.
Busy. O, dito tayo magluluto. Hello.
Hi guys.
Healthy. Busy pare. Look the people, look. Huh?
That's why I can't find you. You have this.
Yeah.
Alright?
Somebody give me.
Really?
Busy. Oh my god, the line is non-stop. Look, oh my god. Harap namin. Oh. Maraming tao. Get him. Ito na yung general suite. Kabalin. Yan. Ito yung takip niya. Lalagay natin dito. Okay. Ayan, naporma na. Lalagay na lang natin yung brake circuit. At saka kukonek natin ng mga ito. Okay. Ngayon, linisin na lang natin ito. Talupan natin. Tapos pagsama-samahin natin yung brake. Ito yung ground, ito yung neutral, ito yung power. Okay? Ngayon, ito yung ground, no? Yan, silang tatlo, ha? Yung tatlong ito, pinagsama-sama ko yung ground. Ito yung main ground. Okay? Yan ang galing sa main line ng yung generator. Okay. Ito nalagay na ito yung mga ground. Ito naman yung natural. Tapos ito yung circuit break. Okay. Tapos lalagay na natin. Ayan. Isa pa. $120 lang yan eh. Kaya dito lang tayo gumamit. Dito sa kabila. Pero kung gusto mong 220, bumili ka ng ganito na double. Dito mo lagay. Gagana yung dalawa. Okay. Tapos ilalagay na natin yung main power. Dito. Ito yung main power. Dito yan. Ito yung live talaga. Okay. Yan, nalagay na. Okay. Ready na yan. Nalagay na lang natin yung takip. Ayun. Bubutasin natin yung dalawa kasi dito yung circuit breaker. Okay, tapos na. Ilagyan na lang natin lang kasi yung bibili tayo ng mga switch outlet. Yung wala pa. Oh. Pero nakakonect na sila. Dito. Yan o. Itong circuit break natin. Dalawa lang. Maglalagay pa ako ng dalawa siguro. Kasi kung palagdag ka ng halimbawa may frigidaire. Okay. Galing ko na. Okay.